Trouble in Orbit, The Growing Problem of Space Junk Part 6. There are concerns that the proliferation of small, low-cost satellites could exacerbate the problem. With plans by other companies, including SpaceX and OneWeb, to develop large constellations of small, low-cost satellites, there is some concern within space agencies about the long-term consequences of the ubiquitous and rapid commercialization of space. In particular, these concerns focus on the abrupt increase in the number of satellites orbiting the Earth, which could substantially increase the need for collision avoidance maneuvers and hasten the onset of the Kessler syndrome. Super wicked problem. In 2014, Brian Wheaton, a technical advisor for the Secure World Foundation, described space junk as a super wicked problem. Such problems, he explained, are particularly challenging to solve because time is running out. There is no central authority providing guidance or support. Those seeking to solve the problem are also causing the problem, and the solutions are left for future generations to find. The critical first step in tackling super wicked problems is to expand the group of people who support measures that reduce the risk. Indeed, there are encouraging signs that both old and new space actors understand the need to mitigate negative impacts of their activities in space and to limit the consequences for other space users. Several companies, including Planet Labs and OneWeb, have affirmed their commitment to tackle the space junk problem in the public domain. However, much work is still needed to fully understand the problem, develop technologies, such as E.deorbit, remove legal and political barriers, and to increase awareness. The Kessler syndrome remains an ever-present threat. The space age has enabled global solutions to some of society's biggest challenges. Just as Ernst Stollinger described in his letter to Sister Mary Jucunda, it has also held out a mirror and shown us that a continuing disregard for the space environment will surely affect our ability to deliver these solutions, with potential consequences for millions of people. Gray Line. Hugh Lewis is a senior lecturer in aerospace engineering at the University of Southampton. He is also a member of the UK Space Agency delegation to the Interagency Space Debris Coordination Committee and a member of the UK delegation to the United Nations Committee on the Peaceful Uses of Outer Space.